First off, when your hot water is boiling, use a cold water and mix your semo inside a plastic bucket. Then you now pour the mixed cold water with semo inside the hot water that is boiling. You stir it. After stirring, you leave it for some time to boil. Then after some minutes, you add the remaining part of the semo. You add everything and be stirring. Make sure you stir consistently to avoid lump, because if you didn't stir like this, you have some lump inside the semo, and which is very, very bad. So you stir, keep on stirring and pouring, keep on stirring consistently, and pour all the semo. Then keep on stirring. Make sure everything turn very well. Everything turn very well and very smooth, because you're making this semo in a large quantity. So you ask someone to assist to hold the pot. So after stirring, then you add a little bit oil inside. Why this oil is because so that it will not be so sticky and gummy when you're eating it. It will not be sticky and gummy to your hands when you're eating it. So it will be very smooth and nice and fluffy. So you stir very well when you add your oil. Then you add a boiling water inside. You add some boiled water inside. Then after stirring, you see that water, just leave it for some time. Then you stir again. You stir very well. This is the last part. You stir very well consistently. You keep on stirring. You see how the thing is already coming up. Then when you finish stirring, you see how it is. You leave it for a while. Leave it for some minutes again, like 2 minutes. Then you stir again. This pot is actually big. You stir, then after some minutes you off your gas. Then that is it. It's very simple to make. That is how to make semo in a large quantity. So you tie it, maybe nylon or whatever your preference, how you want it, because this one is for a party. Look at how to tie it. You use this white nylon and whatever that is your preference. Some people put inside the cooler and serve like that. So that is all on how to make semo in a very large quantity. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching too.